Hello everyone, my name is Heather Lewis. I am actually the owner of Exotic Legends Bengal Cattery. I've been breeding and working with exotic animals for over 30 years. I've noticed with the Bengal community, there's a lot of new breeders out there that are kind of confused with the color charts. And if they breed a certain color to a certain color, exactly what they're gonna get. So I'm gonna explain to each and every one of you how easy it is to determine what kind of kittens you're gonna get. So let's look on the board here. Hello from Exotic Legends. Now we're gonna look at the CS. We know that's a seal lynx. CB, seal seppa. CSCB, seal mink. Little a, melanistic. And APB/little a, charcoal. Now, what I'm going to teach everyone is going to work even with all the other colors, okay? So this is how it works. So what you do is you get the color charts from the sire and the dame. Then what you want to do is draw a cross, or an X. Then you put 25%, 25%, 25%, and 25%. Now, let's say one of the parents is a seal lynx. Little c, little s, little c, little s. And let's say the other parent is a carrier, which is a C. Now, big letters, if you see big letters, they're just blank, okay? So big C, and let's say little CB, right? And you're wondering, well, what kind of cats am I gonna get? You know, what are they going to produce? Well, what you do is you take the first one, draw it down, 25% will be CS, and this capital C. That means carrier of lynx point. The second one will be little CS and little CB. And what is that? That is a mink. Then you want to go over to the other side. CS, capital C, which we know is just a carrier of only seal lynx or lynx point. Then CSCB, which as we know is a mink. So with one of the parents being a lynx point and one carrying mink, you end up with 50% of the litter or kittens will be just a carrier of the lynx point, the seal lynx. And 50% of your kittens will be a mink. Okay? So let's do another one. Okay, let's draw it again. 25%, 25%, 25%, and 25%. Now, let's say one of the parents is a charcoal. And one of the parents carries from melanistic. See the big A? Remember what I said about big letters? They mean nothing, they're blanks. Carries melanistic. So, what will we get with these pairings? Well, again, take the first one, draw it down. 25% will be a carrier of charcoal. 25% will be actual charcoal. Now, let's look at the other parent. Big A, little a. 25% will carry melanistic. That is not charcoal. Melanistic is solid black on black, like a black panther. And 25% will be a melanistic. So pairing a charcoal to a melanistic carrier will give you 25% will carry charcoal, 25% will be charcoal, 25% will carry melanistic, and 25% will be melanistic. Okay? Very easy to do. So let's say, we do another one. And like I said, you can do this with all the colors. So 25% the whole way down again. Okay. So let's say one of the parents comes back, capital C, which is blank, right? Let's say they carry lynx point. And let's say the other one is, I'll just make it a carrier. Of mink. Well, what are you going to get with this one? What we're going to get is 25%, which won't have anything. It won't have any lynx point carrier. It will not be a mink carrier. It will be nothing. Okay? 25% will carry the gene to make a sepia or sepia, depending on how you want to pronounce it, or a mink, right? Just a carrier. Let's make this a bigger C. Then 25% will just carry the lynx point. But you have a 25% chance that the kittens will actually be seal mink. Isn't that exciting? So you can do this with all types of coloration. So when you end up getting the coat color DNA test, you can take your male or your female, and your male and your female, make a chart like this, and you will know what the percentage chances are and what type of kittens you could produce from that mating. So I hope this is helping everybody out there, all the newbies out there, and then maybe even some of us older breeders that maybe we're not very familiar with the genetics. I will start posting more videos to educate everyone. If you have any suggestions of types of videos or things you'd like to learn about, please private message me or send me an email. So from Exotic Legends to your family, we wish you a very, very happy holidays. Have a great night, everybody.